Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over an updated coin called Aptos. Aptos coin or Aptos cryptocurrency. Just paying attention to the volatility right here for Bitcoin, guys. Right here, what it's doing. Been pretty volatile. People that are trading these markets are getting smoked. I was actually thinking about going in something right there on Bitcoin. I'm glad that I didn't. So I'm going for longer swing trades, guys. They're less of a hassle in my opinion. These shorter ones, if you will, get more gray hairs probably a lot faster. You know, there's some guys that are really good at that, guys, and I guess they handle the stress a lot better on those shorter time frames. But what I'm going to do is, of course, with Bitcoin, you have to keep in mind, could there be more downside? Yes, there could temporarily, short term, but if you watch previous my videos, you know what my longer term projections are of Bitcoin going into 2023, even with the S&P 500. I've explained that previous videos, just made one if you want to get the details. It's very short and brief what I think is going on. The Vulcan Forge and Gala Games video. And by the way, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Help the channel out, help brother grow his channel. Okay, guys? So here's the deal with Aptos. My full disclosure, I have a long position in this, leveraged and spot with Aptos. Let's go over the higher time frame situation with Aptos, okay? So I'm going to leave the fibs on there for the time being. I hope it doesn't annoy you. So you have a wave that it went up into, okay? It's over here in a correction. And it has a lot of hidden bearish or hidden bullish divergence. So it's doing a really good job of correcting that cycle. So you have a couple options with Aptos, okay? So you have the cycle, corrective cycle here, and it broke it. It broke it. So whatever it did here, it finished something, it's on to something new. So you over here with Aptos, you have two options. A, B, C. Or you have, it's going to be one, potentially two, and it'll be going into a third wave. Okay. So the risk to reward, in my opinion, is pretty decent, guys, with this coin. The signals with it on the MACD, slowing the momentum. You got slowing momentum there in stochastics. You don't have that yet in the RSI, but let's check the 12-hour. 12-hour MACD. Little bit of slowing of momentum, and definitely slowing momentum now in the RSI with that one too, guys. So there's looks like there's buyers stepping into Aptos in this area, guys. Definitely slowing the momentum that are going into this area on Aptos, guys. So now it's time to start paying attention. I was looking at that, seeing what the wave pattern it was coming down into. I was thinking maybe it's some sort of ABC or anything like that. So you have buyers stepping in. Probably what the traders are noticing here on Aptos, guys, is this bottoming process here, okay? Is it going to come down and break that low? Good question. Good question. But I'm sure that they're seeing this. So the area that more likely that the ultimate target would be is right in this area with Aptos, guys, okay? So like I said, I'm in one. If it pulls back, I'll just layer in as time goes on. But this area right there, where I have that alert set up at $11.82. But don't expect it. Don't expect it. I might not make it. With the ultimate target down here at $11.14, I don't think it's going to make that either, guys. But you just never know with an asset like this. But either way, it's fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is the zone right here. As a matter of fact, I'll put it all the way back down in that area, guys. And you just might not get it. I actually don't like it like that. I actually like it like this, because the other one, but with the trend right here like that too, it could come back down and touch that trend. So be aware of that. But other than that, that correction should be complete. You know, you have a wave here that went from 29 December to 24 January, more or less. So less than a month, basically a month for that wave. And now you have a correction that has been going on, let's say starting right there, and it's over here now. You're looking at 28, 30 days. So it's probably about getting time for Aptos to be finishing up, in my opinion, guys. So you're looking at prices of, let me take a we get conservative prices. Okay, conservative prices right here. Take it off log. I give you conservative prices back up to 28 and $37, guys. $37. Okay, and even more aggressive, you could be looking at $70, guys. A whiz to 70 plus on Aptos, depending on how bullish the cryptocurrency market is, guys. But if Bitcoin is going to be doing what I think that it potentially could be doing, you might see higher end price targets with Aptos, in my opinion, too, guys. So check that. Let me check the RSI 12-hour. Okay, yeah, here's the cycle. Bearish divergence, probably reset the cycle, and it's in this area. Remember, it can swing back down. So have that strategy, keep that in the back of your mind. And if you're like in trades or anything, you know, it comes back down here, you should be flipping out. And don't do super high leverage on an asset like this, guys. Just I wouldn't go anything beyond attempt anything beyond 5x with something like this, guys, unless you really know what you're doing. It can, you know, it's too easy to get wicked out. So that's what I don't like about it. Sometimes with those volatile assets, it's just way too easy to get wicked out. I'm in a spot. Same thing with Chili's. So with Chili's, I have a spot position and also a leverage position, and I've been in a ever since this area with both, with Chili's, you know, spot, and then I decided, okay, let me go and leverage. I've actually been in a leverage trade with Chili's for like over a week, guys. I'm just waiting for it. So with, you know, it can go all the way back down here on my leverage trade, okay, and I can still be fine. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.